Hi folks, so often that we need something like a simple ordinary texture. Let's create one in Texture Paint. I need something to paint on. I set the default color to transparency. I subdivide the mesh and unwrap. Now I can jump to the Texture Paint workspace. I make the window bigger, texture properties, and press new. I hope the timing works, but I think we should take this one. Back to the Texture Paint workspace. First of all, we need to bind in our in the beginning created texture and put it on the mesh. Under mode I chose single image and the image with the meaningful name. The object disappears because, think back, we set the default color to transparency. I know for painting on is it not the best way. We can make the specific color later invisible, but we know is in the middle and 2 times 2 boxes. Time to get creative. Actually, we are done. Don't forget to save the image. In the next tutorial, I combine both textures together. The wood as base and this one with different sizes on one object, so we need 2 UV maps. In shading, I give the object our new texture. And don't imitate the naming. Color to base color, and let me turn the viewport. To see the transparency, we need to change the blend mode under the material property settings. Plug in the alpha channel, and again don't forget to save the image. Then thanks for joining in and see you next time.